Do you own a coffee shop or a cafe? Have you ever thought about having your own incredible mobile app for your business? An app where your customers can access your special offers, discount coupons, and in-app digital rewards cards, encouraging them to keep coming back to your business. With your own app, you can easily show off your delicious menus and update and change it at any time. Do you have a daily special on that you want to let your customers know about? Well, with a few simple clicks, you can let your customers know about it with a stunning push notification sent directly to their phone. You can also add in your own app track and trace feature, which allows customers to submit their details when they arrive. This is now a legal requirement in some countries. Does your coffee shop brand have multiple locations? Well, the user can just click in-app and find out more information on the locations of your stores and which one is most convenient for them to visit. Your app comes fully branded with your own theme and style. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and explode the growth of your coffee shop business.